Oh, an extra note. The video that I talked about in the beginning of this video that I said I would be making, I don't think that's happening. No, I thought about it a little bit. So, bye everyone. So this has been the Weird Channel Amazement, and I'm saying goodbye, and meet you in part 2 of this video tomorrow. Ooh, yeah. So I'm recording now. Hold on. Wait a second. The next sound effect is a vacuum noise. 3, 2, 1.
Try using that in a beatbox.
That's the best vacuum V-Box ever! These sound effects are non-copyright sound effects and may be used in any track as long as they are not used for harmful purposes. Take up a... We're in! Hey guys, this is the second video of the night. And possibly the only two with Kyla in them, because I think I'm gonna do a little tiny video. And you'll just see. That's gonna be completely different of the series though.
Yep.
But anyways, guys, I have to do 3 videos today. This is going to be the video 2 of 3.
So this is going to be a video on how Andrew beatboxes.
Other sound effects are included in this video too. This is part 1 of the sound effects video, and we're going to do part 2 tomorrow, I think.
Alright, so let's get this show on the road.
So, 3, 2, 1. Take up. Take up. Break up. Take up.